So let's go ahead and let's just get a little bit weird with it. Let's learn how to make some weird noises on the jaw harp. Now, pretty much any jaw harp that makes good sound is going to work on this. I have a Mohan, large traditional Morchang, any of your Vargan, Jerome, any style of good harp that makes good sound is going to work unless you have a harp that looks like this. If you have a Hobby Lobby mouth harp or a Snoopy harp, bluegrass hillbilly harp, the $3 or $4 harps that you see on Amazon, they don't make much sound. So you're gonna want to get a different harp. If you want to see my review of the Snoopy, click above, blah, link. Anyways, let's go ahead and let's get into making some weird sounds. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be opening and closing my glottis, like if we were to say ha, 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 like if we were laughing. And as I bring my tongue up, the tone of this will go up. And as I bring my tongue down, the pitch of the instrument is going to drop. So I can say things like, I can do that same thing on the harp without the vocalization if I was just going to open and close my glottis. Now we can start adding other things to our open, close, we'll say stuttering or stammering glottis, whatever we're going to call this. If we was to use our tongue, same thing, but we're not going to use our glottis for the first time. As my tongue's further on the tip of my palate, as it drops down, the pitch gets deeper. We can start blending the open, close, stuttering with our tongue movement. If we were to make weird noises like that. And I'm going to keep plucking because I want the harp to keep sustaining. You can do this with a bass harp too. It's a Mohan bass. Now, for making outer space noises, you can say words like yit, yet, yot, but without the vocalization. Take the tip of your tongue. Nit, 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 nit. Now, what I'm doing there is I have the tip of my tongue, and if this is the top of my palate, I'm touching the tip of my tongue. Nit, 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 nit. As I bring my tongue back, I'm making my mouth cavity bigger. There's more room for the sound, so the pitch begins to drop. Nit, 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 nit. Yit, yet, yot, or other good sounds for this. Yit, yet, yot. Yit, 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 yit. Yot, 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 yot. Take my tip of my tongue too. You can almost bowl your tongue too, because there's a difference in taking the tip of your tongue, and bowling your tongue, and we can just get weird, making a whole bunch of weird noises. Let's go ahead and let's just make some weird noises. We're going to use our gloss, use our tongue, and use our yet, yot. And we're just going to drift along. Let's make a silly little song. And let's just use those. And we're just going to build a rhythm off it. Yit, 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 yit. Yit, yit, yot, yit, 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 yot. On a higher pitch harp, yet yot yet yot yet yot. You can add a click in there too. And I'm opening and closing my glottis too. We're going to jump all over. We're going to make a whole bunch of weird noises. Let's just, since we're on the topic of making weird noises, let's make some vocalizations through the harp. I'm just going to experiment, and I'm going to say things like yet, yot, but I'm going to vocalize hip, yo, hit, ho. Hi-ho, hi-ho. Whoa. If you can go deep, whoa. We're going to create a rising tone. Whoa. Whatever weird sounds good with your mouth, it's probably going to sound good through the harp. If you're listening to the harp, you can do this with the vocalization, without. We're getting weird. We're jumping all over with our weird noises. Let's keep it going. You can take away the vocalization. You can really enunciate that K noise. Without vocalization. With vocalization. Dial back the voice and just do the percussive. Take your tongue, roll it up, and if you start breathing in and out through your nose, try holding your breath. Holding your breath. Now try breathing. In breath. In breath. Or hold breath. Anyways, that's just a few of the weird sounds and weird musical stylings you can do on the jaw harp. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Keep your harps clean, keep them dry, keep them old. Be good to each other, And links for harps, I'll put some in the description. I love y'all. Harp out.